All right, so today we're at the Grand Palladium Hotel and Resort in Jamaica. It's near Montego Bay. This is the King Bed Suite. This is a very nice room, spacious room. You have big screen TV over there, king size bed over here. Over here you have your living room area. This couch turns into a pull-out, so if you have any kids, you know, they can be on the pull-out. Over here you have a nice balcony, which leads out into the courtyard. They do have other rooms with other views too. This is the room we have. Over here you have two comfortable chairs. Nice little pictures on the wall. Here's your desk area if you need to do any type of work or anything while you're here. Over here you have the mini bar, so you have ice up there, ice bucket. You can put your drinks in. You have a fridge that's over here that has drinks, beer. Over here, you have your coffee. The coffee maker goes there. I moved it though, but over here, you have your safe and your closet space. Very nice sized closet. This is an all-inclusive resort, so your mini bar stays stocked too. And then here, you have the bathroom. It's a very nice, spacious bathroom. Over here, you actually have a jacuzzi tub. It's a jacuzzi tub, nice, spacious bathroom. Mirrors on the wall over there. Over here, you have the toilet room. And over here, you have your shower, dual shower head shower. It's a nice spacious room for you and the family. Really gets the job done. And again, this is the Grand Palladium in Jamaica, all-inclusive resort. They have many restaurants, a lot of things to do for the kids, so it's perfect. And the weather is amazing, so it's a must-see. Check it out.